So when making plans to visit the Hoh Rainforest, it's very important to remember to bring rain gear. No matter what the forecast is for that day, the chances of rain are greater in a rainforest than anywhere else. So with that in mind, we took our camera gear, our rain gear, some microfiber towels, and headed into the Hoh Rainforest. So I titled my first composition, The Old Man of Hoh, because when you're looking at this tree from a certain angle, you see these big bushy eyebrows and this mustache that's just drooping down to the ground. It kind of reminded me of what the Ints look like in Lord of the Rings. My second composition wasn't that far from The Old Man of Hoh. I titled this one, Roots, the Hoh Rainforest. It appears to be a tree that has fallen and was at one point a nurse tree to other trees. It was just so gnarly and cool, I had to take a photo of it. So for my final composition in the Hoh Rainforest, it's another fallen tree with all this moss and ferns and lichen growing on it. And you can see where the bark and the tree itself is starting to deteriorate back into soil. Thank you for joining us on this adventure through the Hoh Rainforest. I would have loved to have spent a week there, but unfortunately, we got to get down the coast. Thanks once again. Hit the like button if you liked the video, subscribe, and hit the bell if you want to see more videos like this, and we'll see you on the next one.